Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today we did a model of the bending test of a concrete beam with a steel core, and we use cohesive behavior between the steel beam and the concrete to consider bending behavior under the bending test. If I replace the concrete just here, this is the concrete, and click on this to check the stress. See, this is the stress. For instance, this is the tension damage, this is the compression damage, or anything else. Let me click on this to check it. See, this is the crack propagation under the load, and you can see here the crack, and then the crack gather together to make the damage zone. Here you can see here, this is the damage zone. Also, we can check the cohesive damage. See, this is the bending behavior. See, it is completely failed. The cohesive contact between the concrete and a steel beam reaches the maximum value. The one is 100%. If I replace the steel beam, see, the steel beam also reaches the maximum value. See the damage happened. This is the bounding damage or cohesive damage which has happened here, and it is completely failed. If I request damage for a steel, you can see these are the damage variable, ductile damage or plastic strain or anything else. We can see it here, or stiffness degradation for concrete also here. Well, we use the cohesive behavior to consider bounding behavior between the concrete and a steel beam. Also, we have the force displacement diagram. Here we have initial force, the first maximum, then we have the engagement of the contact increasing the maximum capacity, and then we have decreasing capacity, and here full failure happen here at 4 centimeter or 14 millimeter displacement. At the 14 millimeter displacement, full failure happen. So you can request anything here as the damage, as the shear stress, or anything else here. So if you want to model the composite beam with bounding behavior or cohesive behavior between concrete and steel, you can consider this tutorial. This tutorial will learn you all think step by step from the geometry to the results, and you can provide it here on our website abaqusfem.com. here, this is the tutorial, this is the title. Click on the title, then you will have the geometry here, a step interaction law, the result as figures. Then you can provide CAINP paper English video file, a step by step for 30 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa or MasterCard for the payment. Before payment, contact me to this email. And we have also a full package, contains more than 400 tutorials that is so suitable for all engineers, especially for the students, for the teachers and engineers, and it contains all things about the simulation and modeling in Abaqus, also a little bit in ANSYS. You can find all the tutorials about the explosion, impact, welding, biomechanics, forming, crack, soil, CFD, FSI, thermal, cyclic loading, masonry, DEM method, pull-out composite material, concrete structure, or the other steps. So you can provide this full package for a small fee, and that is so affordable for all people. If you want to provide this full package, contact me to this email. Thank you for your attention.